Joining me in conversation today about the modern connected manufacturing execution system is Karl Schneebauer, Managing Partner of MPDV.
Yeah, thanks, Janice, for having me.
Karl, why don't you tell us a little about MPDV?
Yeah, we're Germany's biggest MES provider with more than 300 people and about $40 million in revenue. And we're in the business for more than 30 years. Started from scratch by our owner, Professor Kledi, who still today is the leading visionary in the Industry 4.0 shop floor business.
Could you tell me about some of the trends you're seeing in the modern connected manufacturing execution system?
Yeah, the biggest trend is the number of IP nodes of internet-connected devices in the production floor. So this gives rise to new opportunities to automatize processes, to capture additional data, and to really optimize production.
Could you talk a little about what you're doing in made-to-order productivity?
Yeah, there is the so-called, classic part, machine data collection, OEE, also the functions of scheduling, better planning, tracking of people and of material. But especially with the new devices, it's much easier to capture weight in an automatic way, to capture energy consumption, to capture process values, temperatures, any sort of deviation. So we are now in this beautiful time where the original SIM vision of the early 80s, computer integrated manufacturing, thanks to this IoT becomes a reality with a 30 years delay.
Today, a lot of the manufacturing is about the customer experience and about it being adaptable and flexible in production. Could you comment on what manufacturers are doing regarding made-to-stock to get to production innovation?
See, the major innovation, as you mentioned, is really in a change of the business model. Today, in a highly automated environment, it makes no sense to produce make-to-stock infinitely. The challenge is really to reduce it to small quantities to an order, demand, and customer-driven business model on the shop floor. The money is earned with the question, how much can I deliver, and where I take the money first. So I have a positive cash flow and really make to the order.
Okay, well, thank you, Karl. Is there anything else you'd like to tell us about MPDV?
Yeah, see, the essential thing where we bring a tremendous value for the US market is that we are one of the few providers who has an integrated scheduling, who has not only OEE machine data capturing, but a full quality SPC suite and a human resources suite in one package. If you research well, where I trust in ARC strongly, you will find that the majority of vendors has a deficit in one of these named 4 areas. So our goal in collaborating with ARC is really bringing this fully integrated vision of a integrated MES product as the central tool for Industry 4.0 to the American market. So we really appreciate driving that strategy together with ARC.
Thank you, Karl. I've been speaking today with Karl Schneebauer of MPDV about the modern connected manufacturing execution system.